Hello dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Chemistry Aspirant. Now in today's lecture, we are going to learn about a formation of ethylene molecule by sp2 hybridization process. So in the previous two lecture, we have learned about a formation of PF3 molecule and the boron molecule by sp2 hybridization process. The steps that we used there will also involve during this formation of ethylene molecules also. So now let us start the formation of ethylene molecule. Now let us consider the first step, that is the molecular formula of ethylene molecule. We know that the molecular formula of ethylene molecule is C2H4. So here in the ethylene molecule there is a 2 carbon atom and the 4 hydrogen atom, in which there is a carbon-carbon double bond between the 2 carbon atom. Now here each carbon atom is a central atom which undergoes the hybridization process. So here both carbon atoms are the central carbon atom which undergoes the hybridization process. I am going to consider the different steps for only one carbon atom for our convenience. You just remember that the same process will be followed for the second carbon atom also. So now let us consider the ground state electronic configuration of the carbon atom. We know that carbon atom atomic number 6. Ground state electronic configuration will be the 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz0. So that ground state electronic configuration for our convenience I have shown in this square box form. So after observing this ground state electronic configuration, we know that the carbon atom contain only 2 unpaired electron in a 2px1 and 2py1 atomic orbital. So the expected valency of a carbon is 2. We know that in the ethylene molecule each carbon atom forms a 4 bond. So here the observed valency is 4. So after observing the ground state electronic configuration, our conclusion will be the expected valency is not equal to observed valency. Hence this carbon atom undergoes excited state formation. Now let us consider the excited state electronic configuration of both carbon atom. We know that in ethylene molecule each carbon atom forms a 4 bond. So here the 1 electron from the 2s atomic orbital by absorbing the energy get promoted to the vacant 2pz atomic orbital of a carbon atom, which leads to the formation of excited state in both carbon atom. Now here you can observe that after the excited state, each carbon atom contain the 4 unpaired electron. So here the expected valency is equals to the observed valency, and this leads to the excited state formation for the each carbon atom. Now let us consider the next step, that is the hybridization process. Now here in the ethylene molecule the 1 2s and the 2p atomic orbital, that is 2px and 2py atomic orbital undergoes the sp2 hybridization process and forms the 3 sp2 hybrid orbital with a equivalent nature. Now these 3 sp2 hybrid orbital in both carbon atom orient themselves at the corner of the equilateral triangle in a one plane that I have shown here, while the remaining 2pz atomic orbital of both carbon atom remains unhybridized during this process, while the remaining 1 2pz atomic orbital of each carbon atom which is unhybridized lie perpendicular to the plane of sp2 hybrid orbitals. Now let us consider the next step, that is the bond formation step. So here out of the 3 sp2 hybrid orbital, the 2 sp2 hybrid orbital of each carbon atom overlap axially with a 1s atomic orbital of a 2 hydrogen atom by sp2s overlap and forms the 2CH sigma bond. So during this process each carbon atom forms a 2CH sigma bond with the 2 hydrogen atom, while the remaining one sp2 hybrid orbital of a 1 carbon atom overlap with a remaining one sp2 hybrid orbital of another carbon atom axially by sp2 overlap and forms a 1 sigma bond between these two carbon atom. So here there is a carbon-carbon covalent bond takes place by the sp2 overlap, while the remaining unhybridized 2pz atomic orbital containing unpaired electron of a both carbon atom overlaps laterally with each other by 2pz1 atomic overlap and forms a pi bond, which leads to the formation of carbon-carbon double bond between these two carbon atom in ethylene molecule. So this is about a bond formation in a ethylene molecule. So if we revise it in short, so each carbon atom forms the 3 sigma bond. Out of that, the 2 will be the 2 CS sigma bond, 1 will be the carbon-carbon sigma bond, while the remaining 1 bond is a pi bond in your ethylene molecule. And this whole process leads to the formation of your ethylene molecule. Now let us consider the last step, that is the geometry and the bond angle. So the geometry of this ethylene molecule is trigonal planar and the bond angle is 120 degree. So this is about a formation of ethylene molecule by sp2 hybridization. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in my next video.